Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset via settings on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! First, let's go to the settings and make sure we are logged out of every single account we have, especially the Google accounts. We can easily do that by going into Google right here at the top, going into our account, hitting Manage Accounts on this device, going into our account, and simply hitting Remove Account. As you can see now, we have no Google account on this phone. It's pretty important to do that since usually, even after hard reset, phones tend to remember previous Google accounts and might want you to input your password from your previous Google account, and otherwise they just won't let you continue with the first phone setup configuration. Anyway, after you've done that, we can scroll almost all the way down, go to the system, here scroll all the way down, and right at the bottom we have reset options. We hit it, and as you can see, right at the bottom we have erase all data. We want to click it. We are checking few things. For example, we can check if we want to also erase the eSIMs that we have on our phone. I really don't have any eSIMs, so that doesn't really matter for me, but if you do, make sure that you won't have it toggled, or maybe you do want to. It depends on you. After that, you simply hit erase all data. You will have to input our current PIN to our phone, and we will be asked once again if you want to erase all data for sure. We hit erase all data, and now our phone is resetting itself and will perform a hard reset. After probably a few minutes, maybe more, maybe 10, whatever, our phone will fully restart without any data, and will go through the first setup configuration. And if you want to know how to go through the setup configuration, don't worry, we do have a tutorial on that. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.